We highly recommend you visually inspect certain key components on the machine on a daily basis to ensure durability and reliability of the machine. Components such as belts, so we have a serpentine belt on the front of the engine, and we have 4 belts for the blower and 2 belts for the pump. Check those for cracks, glazing or fraying where the thread hairs start coming out. You should also check things like your bolts for your pump and your blower. Any component that's directly connected to the engine is a potential source of high vibration. So with the engine off, make sure that none of these bolts are loose. With the engine on, look for excessive movement of any of the components, and that might be an indication that a bolt is coming loose. Also check your hoses and fittings. The hose itself could be leaking, or the fitting could be leaking at the connections where it connects to the hose and where it connects to the manifold. This being a water-cooled engine, you will also notice that it has a coolant heat exchanger as well as the radiator, of course. Be sure to check all the connections in those places to make sure you have no leaks. Check your water level for the radiator using this box right here, this container. On your wires, you should check for both your wires and your hoses actually. Check to make sure nothing is interfering with any moving parts, so things like your pulleys in the back here and on the other side. If you have anything interfering with any moving parts, it's going to wear itself through and cause a fluid leak or cause an electrical failure in the machine, which most likely will shut the machine down. You should also check your oil levels that we mentioned in the previous videos. Your pump, it has a sight glass in the back. The blower also has 2 sight glasses for the dual oil baths. And check your engine by using your engine dipstick. Checking and maintaining all these components on a daily basis are good preventative maintenance to catch problems before they develop into a failure on the job site. And doing these checks will help prolong the life of the machine.